Welcome everyone, and as you see the news, Google Pixel 11 Pro and 11 and Folder are launched by Google together with other items like the Watch 5. This time I won't upgrade because the Pixel 11 series doesn't show me a big interest to move from a Pixel 10 Pro XL to the new device. There is a lot of discussion about how Google didn't improve the hardware and just pushing the AI, as we can see every day in Google announcement. But what is scary more is a device that uses a lot of battery, so battery drainage a lot with all the features. And what is worst is this time the device have a smaller battery, and as you can see even in Reddit, worst battery according to European product. So they did some tests and the battery of two new device test worst in the new device despite the old one, the previous model. So you can consider the update only if you're coming from an old model, but not worth from a 9 or 10. So I feel Google is like abandoning the race on make a better device and pointing out only to have more features that call in the AI, and I think they cannot fit anymore and they don't have any more interest to hear feedback or upgrade. All other product experts, they will speak how can be cheap to trade in, but I think you lose money on trading a better device before than this one, because what we can offer: less tap, stay informed, incredible camera upgrade that we need to see how many bugs they will have. So quite disappointed. And what you think about this new launch? I don't see anything that great interest for me. No, even the Pixel Watch, because I'm a fan of the Fitbit. But this is always on Gemini. As you can see, everything is stored on Gemini. While, yes, in this case, the Pixel Watch got a better battery, and this is what I was looking for, but I don't like the ecosystem as we have now. And we will see how it's going and if the price will change with the lay low of people. But so far I'm quite disappointed. I'm not anymore a product expert, but if I can give a feedback, this is become worse and worse. I don't know what will we see in the Pixel 12. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment if you have a feedback about this new device. Will you upgrade, or you will stay on your own device, or will you change it for a new brand? Thank you again.